Exercise number 1. Pelvic tilt into bridge. Start on your back. Tilt your pelvis up, then flow into a glute bridge. This two-part move isolates and strengthens the pelvic muscles like no other. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 2. Alternate low lunges with pelvic focus. Step into a deep lunge. Engage your pelvic floor at the bottom. Switch legs and repeat. Its benefits are hip opener and teaches pelvic floor engagement during movement. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 3. Butterfly pose with contractions. Sit tall, feet together, knees out. Inhale, then exhale and gently contract your pelvic muscles. It increases control over pelvic floor muscles. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 4. Crab pose. Sit on the ground, feet flat, hands behind you. Lift your hips, squeeze your glutes. Hold this position and pulse slightly. Engage the pelvic floor. Imagine pulling everything upward. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 5. Scissors. Alternate legs in a scissor motion. Keep your lower back pressed down and lift the pelvic floor each time legs cross. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 6. Glute march. Lie on your back, knees bent, hips lifted. March one leg at a time without letting the hips drop. This one's gold for glutes and deep pelvic engagement. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 7. Half burpees. These are excellent for pelvic rhythm and control under pressure. Do 10 to 12 reps for 3 sets. Exercise number 8. Hip thrusts. Back flat, knees bent, lift the hips, squeeze hard at the top. Focus on contracting your pelvic floor like you're stopping urine flow.